Hi guys, welcome to my video guys. Kain po tayo guys. Aking ulam guys is tinulang isda, fried chicken, and lato. Aking kanin mais. Tikman natin ang sabaw sa tinula guys. Wow, yummy. Sabaw pa lang, ulam na. Perfect combination ng aking ulam guys. Higop tayo ng sabaw guys. Tikman natin ang fried chicken guys. Super crispy. Tikman natin ang lato. Okay. Perfect. Tomato guys. Tikman natin ang tinulang isda. Sarap. Thank you for watching.